2 weeks ago, I found out I was going to be replaced by AI. Yep. And for those of y'all that first, somehow don't know what it is that I do, I support people finding their sense of self. I facilitate mental and emotional support groups. I interact one on one and in group form with people having challenges with allowing themselves to be a full expression, knowing even who they are deeper inside. That's my work. My work is insight. I deepen with introspection and interoception, and then support people in intercepting their patterns, their coping mechanisms, their reflexes and automatics in order to be more present with themselves. I do this with questions. I do this with my own presence. I do this by responding to what their share is, what they offer me, with a deeper look from my own perspective. And now that's AI's gig. Even 2 weeks later, I still find myself reeling from the shock of it all. Interesting that it is shocking also, and maybe it is shocking because it mirrors so many institutional relationships that I've had. I come in as the human's human. I connect with the young people. I connect with the old people. I connect with all the people in between. I am both a connector and an educator. I am in the mix and slightly separate from it all. I exist in the space that allows people to be them and challenges them to be more them. And I'm being replaced by AI. This is me centric because it is me. And alongside me, there are many wonderful and experienced facilitators who are also being replaced by AI. The how it happened, not quite sure. Have my suspicions, I'll air those out later. But for now, 2 weeks ago, I found out I'm being replaced by AI. They tell me take a deep breath. They want me to let my mind expand. They want me to pretend this isn't real. But I cannot abide. This is Inside Mike. Please take care of yourself.